Hi, Silicon Valley Tom here. Today I'm doing a review, sort of a review, on an LG OLED 65C7P 65-inch LG TV. I bought this television back in 2017, right around August. If you were to go to the LG website today, which is May 25th, 2018, you would find this TV on sale for $2,600 directly through LG. I'm going to give you a little history on how I bought this TV back in August of 2017, and I paid a couple cents less than $2,500. When I bought this from a website, I was able to get it pretty inexpensive. It also included a free TV mount and a HDMI cable with wipes and spray to clean the screen, and it also included a power strip, which I actually didn't use. I turned around and sold that on Craigslist for $10. TV mount, I did use it, and that's how this TV is actually hanging right now on the wall. Just got to make sure you mount it to the stud. I've bought many products through websites. They seem like they're just cheaper that way. You have to be careful because a lot of those places are actually gray market and black market products. Could mean a couple of things. It might mean that you're getting the same exact TV, but without a warranty card in it, or you can get something that might not even have the name brand logo on it, or it could be something that looks the same on the outside, but the quality of the parts on the inside are not the same. I've had experience buying from these websites before that when I ordered the TV on the internet, it was outrageously cheap. It was for $1,900, but I knew there was a catch, and I knew before they shipped me they were going to be calling me. So instead of waiting for them to call me, I called them. And before I actually purchased it, I had already talked to them before, and they assured me, yes, this is the TV. So anyways, after I made the purchase online, of course, they don't charge a credit card yet. I called them, and he goes, oh, yes, did you know that your TV that you bought is actually a commercial TV, and it's made for offices where they're doing conference meetings and things like that, and the quality of the parts on the inside are not going to be the same as, he called it, the Magnolia. So then anyways, I told him, no, I talked to you and all this stuff, and he goes, no, if you want that one, it's going to cost you $3,000, from $1,900 to $3,000. So finally, he was able to bring it down to $2,500. I got him to throw in the TV mount, the starter kit, which included, like I said before, an HDMI cable and wipes and a spray to clean the screen, power strip. And of course, he told me it's coming with a warranty card. But until the TV arrives, you're kind of sweating it out. But in any case, another thing I would like to say, before I bought the TV, I called my credit cards. One of my credit cards would extend the manufacturer warranty for 1 year, and the other would extend the manufacturer warranty for 2 years. So obviously, I bought it with the one for 2 years, which was a Costco card. So then automatically, when the TV came, and until the TV came, I was worried. Sure enough, warranty card was in the box, and I was able to register the TV at the LG site. Automatically, now I have 3 years warranty, the 1 year manufacturer plus the 2 years extra with my credit card. And then I paid for another extra 3 years directly through LG, which costed me $172. So I'm good for the next 6 years. And incidentally, back in 2009, I bought a 52-inch Samsung, and for some reason, that TV only lasted about 4 years. The right side of the TV started getting lines, and I would call Samsung, and no, they were not willing to do a thing. That's when I said, gee, why I didn't get a warranty or something, and I regret it, but this TV is actually replacing it. So now that I've given you a little bit of history on this TV, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the things that I like about it. 65-inch TV, of course, it has 4 HDMI connectors, 3 on the side, 1 in the rear. The WebOS 3.5. Remember, I bought this from a website in Brooklyn, New York, eBuys US, and there are many websites in Brooklyn and New York area, New Jersey, that sell mainly electronic TVs and cameras that I know for very, very inexpensive. So I'll just go ahead and show you the settings here. This is what the remote looks like. Now I'm going to show you some of the settings on it. So I just press the setting button, and then I'll go to all settings, populate. Here's some of the picture settings, sound, channels, use the channel manager to delete channels and all that. I'm not going to go in there and show you. The networks, of course we got the WebOS. I'm using Wi-Fi. I don't use Ethernet. You know, you could connect pretty easily to the TV. Very convenient. The general, you got your languages, your location, your time. You know, your time, that's cool. Account management, standby, cookies. You can clear all that stuff out. I guess if you have a LG wireless keyboard, you can set that up. Here we go about the TV, software version. We can check for update. The OLED 65C7P. Evidently last year it was supposed to be one of the best TVs. I think I agree with it and stuff. You know, you could use all the safety. I don't use that stuff. Accessibility. On this TV, yeah, I don't have a sound bar hooked up, so I'm using my computer speakers, which are 2 small speakers, and of course your woofer, connected via optical cord. So I had to buy a $6 converter off of AliExpress, the 3.5 mini jack to the fiber optic cable. And the sound is really good on this. So I'm able to use the speakers from the TV and the 2 computer speakers at the same time. You can see what I'm using here. You can see my setup. It populates. It says here internal TV speakers plus audio output. It says right there, let's see, and it recognizes that I'm using an optical. Press the home button, this populates on the bottom. You got your Netflix, your live TV, which will be the over-the-air channels. I got a big antenna on top of the house. This is my web browser, Netflix. I could search there for things. If I want LG content app or anything like that, I just go there and it'll populate. It has a horde of internet channels on it, and those get populated over your network. So it goes down, starts at IP 100. So you can see content like this. Here's Glory Kickboxing, MMA Junkie, a lot of content and stuff, a lot of apps. The only thing I don't like about the browser, it doesn't have ad block. Like here, you work around it. Up here in the corner, press the magic link, and on the bottom it'll have everything related to the channel, which is pretty convenient. Click here again, it's going to give you what's next, change your channels. So that's it. That's Silicon Valley Tom. See you next time. Give me thumbs up or don't give me thumbs up. Ask me any questions. Respond as soon as I can, as soon as possible. Over and out.